Guys, got my package in the mail finally. What could this be? What could it be? Anybody want to take any guesses? I'll give you 4 seconds. Okay, time's up. Let's get it unwrapped. Alright, we got you set up now. Everybody's always got fancy unboxing knives. I've just got an old kitchen knife that's been taped up because it's all sorts of destroyed. It don't work worth a damn. We're just gonna go ahead and I sure hope that it isn't fragile and a knife can break it. I'm gonna cut right into this box. Gum. This thing is wrapped up good. Like, really good. Okay. This is ridiculous. But I'm happy that it's packed up this good because it ain't light. This is a very heavy box. This box, I think, weighs about 50 pounds. That gives you any ideas. I can see it already. Of course, I know what I bought. You guys don't. Wondering if I should do one of those videos, you know, where I'm like, what's in the box, and then I don't actually show you what's in the box. That'd be kind of mean, wouldn't it? Well, that's pretty. Here we go. So if you can't already tell what this is, there's a problem. Jed, why did you buy a 426 Hemi head? Well, because I've already got one. And I've got a Hemi tunnel ram. And I've got a 426 Hemi block already bought waiting for me. Yeah, that's the big secret. This 25-year-old boy, man, not boy, I might be a boy to some people. I have all the parts to build my own 426 Hemi. I never thought I'd have the stuff I do. You know, I've got a Dana 60 out of a 68 GTX, I've got an 18 spline 4-speed, I've got a giant stroker being built, and I got a 70 Charger. But to even come close to owning a 426 Hemi at my age, for being especially middle class, is ridiculous. But I'm not bragging about it. I'm saying this simply because if you want something bad enough, you can have it. The money I'm going to have in my Hemi when it's done is going to be less than $3,000. I bought this head right here for $225. And then I split shipping with the dude. Let's get this head flipped around. And I want to check out the chamber. Well, I got my little light here. Checking it out. This head has been O-ringed. Not a huge deal. But you get what you pay for, you know. She's not cracked, at least anywhere I can see. So, yeah. If you want something bad enough, you can own it. I did a nationwide search on Craigslist. Found this puppy, and now I have 2 heads. I've got to go pick up my block that's in Princeton, Chicago, Illinois. So if I have any viewers up there and you want to come visit me, please go pick up my block and bring it to me. And I also got pistons. The plan is to probably just use a 440 crankshaft, which is the same thing, just the bolt flanges on the back. Hemi has 8 and 440 has 6, not a huge deal. I just need some Hemi connecting rods because a Hemi connecting rod is 10 thousandths longer than a 440 rod. Which I could run a 440 rod, it's just going to be a little short. It would drop the compression ratio about a point from what I understand. But yeah, I couldn't be any happier. I am just dumbfounded. When I found this deal for this head, I thought it was going to be fake. I mean, I didn't believe it. I figured the dude was going to take my money and run. Well, he didn't. And the guy said this head was cast on October 31st, 1968. And this is upside down, so that's a J318. So, I'm not sure how to decode that, but I'm going to take his word for it. He said this is a Halloween head, which is just even cooler. Even if this head was all cracked to shit, I would still own it just because of the casting date. That little plug there's got some damage, but I'm not going to complain. I am happy and I am stoked, and I cannot believe this video is almost 6 minutes long. So, thank you again, guys, for everything you do for me. You're the greatest. So, take care. Bye.